The name Villa Maji comes from the name Maji, which means water in Swahili language. This is incorporated in the entirety of the property, within and without, with every detail of the furniture and the walls and how the layout of the property itself, everything relates back to the African beauty and showing all of its bright, beautiful colors that this land has to offer. Villa Maji is more than a guest house, it is a feeling. With 3 lounges to hang back, relax, and enjoy the splashing sound of the ocean. Space for open parking and space for closed parking with 3 garages to offer. With 10 ensuite guest rooms to choose from, 9 with ocean and beach views. On this 1,458 square meter land, we have the actual property 1,048 square meter size, with an outdoor space, swimming pool and veranda to enjoy the beautiful ocean view.